Guys, today, do you recognize this face? It's Salish's Matter Slime. Oh, yeah, that. I accidentally did that when I was taking off the tape. Don't worry. It's so secure so no one can get in your slime. Anyways, let's get started. It's literally my birthday week. Let's just get started. I've been wanting Salish's Slime forever now. Oh my god. Maybe I should not have done that. But it's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. Wait, this is the glitter. Yep. Okay, so that's first. Then okay, hold on. Okay, so first, I wonder if there's slime in here. There is not. Okay. So first you get the slime out, but I'm not sure which one is the slime. I'm guessing. Wait, it says one, so. This one. Oh my god. This looks so cool. They're both number one. Yeah. So hold on, let me look through the box. Yeah, there's nothing there. Yeah. I think, can you get any out? Like any more? Okay. So, this is what we have right now. Really cute. Okay, now you'll put that on here. And now, this is, oh wait, this one too. What?
Number one.
Oh yeah, this is also number one. So I'm guessing it goes with this one too. Whoa.
Does that smell?
Yeah.
It smells like coconut.
It is coconut. Wait, what is this one smell? Also coconut. Guys, I've been literally wanting her slime for like ever. Almost. Just gonna open up this way. And then flip it outwards like that. That's good. Okay, so you got these two colors. I'm gonna do that at the end. She does like swirls. So, it's so much fun. It's scented so well. Like, it's so good. Okay, packaging number 2. This is number 2. I'm sure it's like a sandy type of slime-ish. Oh wait. This is sand slime. But it's not sand. It's basically slime with sand in it, but it's not like fully sand. I believe that's it. Or this is clay. I'm not very sure. Okay. Now we have this base of the slime. This is if you want, like, I'm guessing a little drizzle on the top. Again, just Again to the drizzle. Okay, now number 5.
Number 4.
Oh, 4. Never mind. The charm is so cute. Their charms are literally so cute. We also have another charm. This was also number 3. I just did not see it. And I did not see it. I opened it like wrong. I did not know it's gonna kind of explode like that. So now you have your charms. Okay, so now this is the part where you need to get the bowl. This, yes, it comes out of the bowl. So first, you have to like kind of clear your space a little bit. Get the slime and spread it.
What are you doing number 5? Not yet.
Not yet. That's last. Like last. Okay, and now you also spread this slime. I was actually watching like people making slime today. So, and I really wanted to make slime. So yeah. And now you're gonna like put it together kinda ish. Like that. And then twist it. Like that. And then you're gonna like drizzle. I'm not the perfectest person to do this with, so if it looks kind of bad, that's because of me. And then you kind of want to press it in, not too much, like that. Ooh, that looks cute. And now you want to go like this. Okay, you want to go like this and go in a little. Nope. You need to make it a little bit longer. So, come on. And now, with this little drizzle, you need to go in a circle and go like that. And now, you just put it in the middle of your slime. And now, this is when the charms come in.
Let's see the top of your.
Huh?
The top of your bowl.
Oh yeah, that's so cute. Okay, now you're gonna put. You can decorate however you want. Honestly, I'm just gonna kind of like spread it around-ish. And now, here's for the little bigger charms-ish. One could go right here in a little seashell, like right here, and a little dolphin right here-ish. I'm gonna kind of put it in this line, like that. That looks so cute. And now, the sparkle. Okay.
You're gonna have to mix it all together.
Guess what?
You did it wrong.
I need scissors.
Oh no. Do it later. Do part 2 later.
Okay. Well, guys, I have to do part 2. Oh wait, I believe that you have to mix in the
Part 2 later. It's just do
Okay.
part 2 later.
We'll do part 2. See you guys later. Bye.